Welcome back to Pure Code Tech, where we transform complex technology into simple actionable knowledge. I'm your host Festo, and today we are diving deep into one of the most essential tools in modern software development, Docker containerization. Have you ever wondered how developers can package their applications with all dependencies and run them consistently across different environments? That's the magic of Docker. And today, we are going to master the complete installation process on Ubuntu MATE 2504 running inside VMware Workstation Pro 17 on Windows 11. Whether you're a beginner taking your first steps into containerization or an experienced developer setting up a new development environment, this comprehensive tutorial will guide you through every single step. So fire up your virtual machine and let's embark on this Docker installation journey together. And hey, if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more in-depth tech tutorials. Before we dive into the installation process, let's establish our foundation. Understanding your system requirements is crucial for a smooth Docker installation experience. We are working with Ubuntu MATE 2504, the latest plug-puffin release running on VMware Workstation Pro 17. This setup requires an 64-bit architecture, which most modern systems support. So for optimal performance, you will want at least 4 GB of RAM allocated to your virtual machine, though you can get by with 2 GB for basic testing. Storage-wise, ensure you have at least 10 GB of free disk space, but I recommend 20 GB or more for a comfortable working environment. You will also need an active internet connection for downloading Docker components and container images. Now let's prepare our system for Docker installation. So head over to your desktop and double click on VMware Workstation Pro to open. So inside your VMware, you'll be seeing your operating system that you installed in this left tab, as you're seeing mine. And for you to be able to run your virtual machine, you'll come over here and click on power on this virtual machine. So I'll click on mine to power on my machine. I'll press OK. So as you're seeing here, my virtual machine is loading. So our operating system is loading. So as you're seeing, our operating system is fully loaded. So I'll just come here and type in my password. I'll click enter. So if you've just freshly installed Ubuntu, you'll need to update and upgrade your system. So I'll come over here to our menu. Then I will locate for the terminal, the MATE terminal, to quickly update my system because I've just installed it. So I'll just come here and I press sudo apt update and upgrade. So simply this statement, the sudo gives you the root access permissions, and the apt is just an advanced package tool that is used to install and update the Ubuntu software. So I'll put in my password to proceed. So our system has updated, so let me quickly upgrade the remaining software. As you're seeing here, it is saying 189 packages and needed to be upgraded. So these are one of the first commands you have to utilize after installing your Ubuntu. So I'll quickly upgrade my system. I'll say sudo apt upgrade with y flag. This means that when it prompts me to say yes or no, it will automatically proceed as you're seeing. As you're seeing here, the system will request you to accept. So on this, you can press tab to continue. Keep the local version currently installed. Next, we will install VMware tools, specifically the OpenVM tools packages designed for Ubuntu desktop environment. So we'll come over to our script and then copy this command prompt, Ctrl+C, then come back to VMware and click in the terminal and then press Ctrl+Shift+V to paste. Then I'll press yes. It will prompt you for the password. I'll put my password. Then it will install. But for my case, I had already installed it. That is why it is showing OpenVM tools already installed. So I'll come back to my script and then I copy this command to check and validate that the VMware tools are installed. So I'll paste Ctrl+Shift+V. Then as you're seeing here below, it will show you the VM tools SD version with every tool installed with its version number as you're seeing here. So we will continue. But if you've installed this for the first time, you will have to first reboot your system. So continue. Now come on this step and put this package. Now come on this step and copy this command and paste it here. The command helps you to remove any Docker related package if installed. So after performing that, we'll update our system. So I'll first clear this. Then I'll come back to my script. Then we'll be installing packages, necessary packages that are needed, the CSS certificate and the rest. Come here and I copy this command and I paste it back in my terminal by pressing Ctrl+Shift+V. So I have already installed, so I will continue. Back to this step 3, we will now install Docker. But before that, Docker offers 3 primary installation methods, each suited for different scenarios. So I'll walk you through the official one that is recommended, which is the production install. So as you're seeing here, this method ensures you get the latest Docker version with security updates. So what we will do, we'll come here and copy this command and paste it back into our terminal in VMware. So I'll come over here and I click in the terminal, then Ctrl+Shift+V, and I paste it. Then this command, it will create, first of all, it will create the key rings, which will protect our Docker from any damages or malicious hack. Then this call means that it will fetch the latest Docker image on the Docker website. Then the sudo change mode AR means that we are going to modify this etc package where we've installed our key rings by giving it the apta access, the apte, to read the etc files that we've installed with the key rings. So I'll go back to my Word document, then I'll copy this to access the repository where the Docker files are stored. So I'll come and copy this and paste it back in my terminal. So after that, I'll come back to my Word document and then update my package index. So I'll come here and I copy this. I'll go back to my terminal, then I'll paste, press enter, such that it updates all my links that I'm fetching from the web. After updating, then I'll come back. So I'll click this statement to install the Docker engine and its components. I'll copy this back to my Vim. So this command, it will help you to install the Docker engine and all its components. As you're seeing, we are installing it. Let me enlarge this for you to be able to see what you're doing. As it is unpacking, I'll go back. So for method 2, you can skip it unless when you're a developer, but for this purpose, we will just install it as a production software. So you only stop at method 1 and then continue to step 1 in the post installation configuration. Then here in this series, we'll begin with the first step of enabling local services. So I'll come and I copy this command and head over back to my terminal. So it is still unpacking the packages. So as you're seeing, our Docker installation is done. So I'll come here and type sudo. I'll paste this. So what this means, it will start the Docker engine, sudo systemctl, which stands for system control. Here we are giving it privileges to run our Docker engine. Then I'll press enter. Then when you're done with that, you will just press the upper key to go back and then change this to sudo status docker. As you're seeing here, we've been able to install Docker and make it running in our installed VMware. So at this step, you're good to go, but we'll do some more other settings such that we keep our environment secure. Go back to my terminal and I paste this to enable all the services in Docker. Then I'll also do the same for the containers. Then after that, you will need to restart your Docker environment. Then after that, you will need to restart your Docker environment such that the configuration take effect. I'll press Ctrl Shift V. Then you will rerun my Docker again. I will restart my Docker again. So as you're seeing here, I'm able to restart my Docker. So when you come here, after doing all those steps, you'll come here and check to verify that everything is running smoothly. So I'll come here and I paste this command. So when you paste that and press enter, it will show you that Docker version. For our case, we are running the latest version, which is 28.4.0, and this is the, come here and I copy this and then paste this. It will also show you the composer version. Then I'll come here and copy this to test and confirm that our Docker is running properly. So as you're seeing here, after running this sudo docker run hello world, it was unable to find the image, the latest hello world image locally, and then it went on to the web and pulled the image from the web. So as you're seeing here, it was able to produce the hello world image, which shows that our installation appears to be working correctly as the message is appearing here in our terminal. So we will go back and continue to test it. So I'll just come also here and copy this command to check for the Docker information. So I'll paste it here. Then as you're seeing here, it will show you the version, the build number and the rest. So we'll do our final check, which will be which will require running a simple image, a simple Ubuntu image. So I'll copy this command and come back to my VMware and paste. Then I press enter. Oh, sorry. As now we need to run it as the sudo user, the root user. So I'll press sudo and then I paste again my command. So still it will show you that it was unable to find this image locally. So it will try to fetch from the website. As you're seeing, it is pulling from its main library. So it will download the image. As you're seeing here, it will download the image. So as you're seeing here, we've been able to download our image and now we are running it as a root user. So this is the image that we've downloaded, and as you're seeing here, the pull is complete. So after completing the entire process, you can exit, close the image, then you clear your screen. Before I forget, I'll show you one other cool trick. So if you want to, let me first exit the terminal. So you click on the arc menu and locate the accessories. So in the right taskbar, you scroll down and see this plank. It is a navbar that stays down where you can easily add and remove applications. So as you're seeing here, we can quickly navigate to our files. We can quickly navigate to our terminal. So this can be useful such that you can quickly access your applications, and here you can click to show desktop applications as you're seeing here. So that is it. Completing everything, I'll power off my machine. So I'll come here and I click on shut down the guest. I'll come here and I power off my machine completely.